For problem 5, we have an object falling from a cliff at rest. We want to know how far it falls after 6 seconds and what its final velocity is. Let's be careful in this. When you see the word falling, that implies the acceleration is due to gravity, and that's 10 meters per second squared. We want to know how far it falls after 6 seconds and what its final velocity is. So we're going to go ahead and actually calculate that out here. So we have an initial position of 0. We don't know what the final position is. We don't know what we know that it falls from rest, so that implies that the initial velocity is in fact 0. We don't know the final velocity because it's falling, acceleration is due to gravity. So it's 9.81, but we're going to round that to 10 in workout problems. And then we know the time is 6 seconds. So let's go ahead and actually solve. So we want to know how far it falls after 6 seconds. So x equals 1/2 at squared plus v naught t plus x naught. And when we actually put in all the zeros for stuff, x is going to be 1/2 times 10 times 6 squared plus 0 times t plus 0. This works out to 0 and that works out to 0. So when I just multiply this part out here, I'm going to get that x is plain old 180 meters. Now let's get the final velocity. We'll keep it simple. V equals at plus, let's try that again, v equals at plus v naught. We'll put in our numbers. V equals 10 times 6 plus 0. And that's going to give me a final velocity in this problem of 60 meters per second. So we have the velocity, we have the final position, and that is question number 5.